welcome to our channel. Now today we are going to discuss such a good topic everybody knows very well and happily they are enjoying in competitions. That is, observe one more good idea. It is before questions we have to take in from algebraic expressions. Now this here numerical values. Yes, 0.98 whole square, take the calculator, 0.98 0.98 we should get answer. Not like that. We have to use one idea. If you take the multiplication, it will get such a some time consuming process, time taking process. Now let us see the easy method. Yes. Now it is nearest 0.98 nearest value of 1. 1 minus 0.02. Yes. 1 minus 0.02. Nothing but carry 10 here 9. Yes. 9, 10 minus 8, 9, 9, 0.98. Yes, 1 minus 0.02, nothing but 0.98. So, 0.98 can be expressed as 1 minus 0.02 whole square only, na? It is in the form of a minus b whole square, friends. A minus b whole square, nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the one second algebraic identity, friends. Remember, now here a is 1 square, b is 0.02. Plus b square 0.02 whole square. You know very well this is 1 square 1. 2 into 0.02 nothing but 0.04 plus 0.02 whole square nothing but 0.0004. You know multiplication. Now sum of these two and subtract, we should get 0.9604. Simple. And one more good question in front of you. Let us see. Yes. These two terms are same. X into x square means 231 whole square. Inside wall is also 180, 180. Repeat twicely means 180 whole square. Yes. Friends, here 411 as is right. Single term. Now a square minus b square. Friends, I said just now, I said very clearly. LHS are given, we have to take RHS. RHS are given, we have to do it LHS. Both are if find or if condition. Here a square minus b square given. We have to split the terms. Yes, which means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b by 411. Friends, these sum of these two 411. So subtract of these two 51 by 411. 411 get cancelled. I should get simply 51. In this way, we have to convert the values in easiest manner, friends. Now, one of the competitive example, it is one of the competitive question, friends. I will tell you in easy technique also. Now, first we have to go with first method, then after easy technique, right? Now, let us see. If x plus 1 by x equals to 3, then find the value of x square plus y square, or x square plus 1 by x square. No problem. Yes, come to the point. What is given? Which one we have to prove? That is important. Yes, what is given? Yes, x plus 1 by x is equals to 3 given. Equation number 1 for suppose. Now here answer in the terms of square and it. Answer in the terms of power 2 means squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then only x plus 1 by x whole square, that is equals to 3 whole square, friends. A plus b whole square, you know very well. A square plus b square plus 2ab, which means a value x, b value 1 by x, a value x, b value 1 by x. Now that is equals 3 square equals 9. Friends, x get cancelled. Because it is in the product mode, x get cancelled. Now we are getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 only. X get cancelled. 2 1 are 2, friends. That is equals 9. Now simplify. Now 9 minus 2 equals to 7. That is our answer. Yes. 9 transfer to right side. 9 minus 2 7. Now in this question, we have to do 5 seconds. We have to do in 5 seconds. Yes. In the question, what is given? 3 given. Yes. That 5 seconds, let us say 3 square 9. It is in the form of times 2. 9 minus 2, which is equals to your answer, friends. Now let us see one more good question, friends. Before question, the terms in unique mode, we have to find powers 2. In the mode of x square, something 1 by x square. But in this question, they have given x square in the terms of power 2, we should find monic term, single x power 1 only. In what way we have to find, friends? Let us see. Now remember, my dear friends, I will tell you the technique also. Remember. Now solution. Simple. We should find this one only, no? Take it now. X plus 1 by x. We have to take it and squaring on both sides. Right? Squaring on both sides. Now x square plus b square means 1 by x square plus 2ab. 2ab. Right? X will cancel, friends. I should get x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square is nothing but 38. 2 1 ja 2. That equals to 40. Okay. Now x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 40. X plus 1 by x equals to root of 40. Square root of 40. Sometimes we have to write plus or minus root 10. 2 root 10. Square root 2 root 10 means 2 to the 4. 4 10 is 40. Right? Root 40 is the answer. Now same the way we have to take this part x minus 1 by x squaring on both sides. X minus 1 by x. I am using second algebraic identity, friend. What is the second algebraic identity? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? A, b also. Right? X square 2 to get cancelled, minus 2 plus 1 by x square. You write these two terms one side. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Yes. X square plus 1 by x square equals 38. Substitute. Yes, 36. This is the value of x minus 1 by x whole square equals 32, which means x minus 1 by x equals to square root of 36, because this power 2 transfer to right side, it becomes to square root. Now x minus 1 by x equals to plus or minus root 36. Now x minus 1 by x equals to plus or minus 6. This is your answer. This is your answer. This is the way we have to solve this question. I told you very clearly. Before solving this question, I told you technique. Yes. When x square terms are given, we have to find single terms, monic terms, means simple amount. Here what is there? 2. Here asking plus, no? Right. We should add plus 2. What is this? 40. What is the answer? Now here given, no? Here next step minus, no? Next to minus, no? You do something. 38 minus 2, 36. Square root 36. Right? Square root of 36, we have perfect square. We have perfect square. That is nothing but plus or minus 6. This is the way also we have to do this question in competitive exams. Then we will get confidence and marks also, friends. I hope you have to understand such these questions. And let us see one more good question upon first 3 algebraic identities. Yes. Now what is given? Very good question, friends. 4x square plus 9y square equals 136. xy equals to 10. Then find 2x plus 3y. Yes. I told you. In algebraic identity, one logic is there. In the question, what is given, what we have to prove. The proof only we have such an idea. Such an idea. Gives on such an idea. What is the question only? Yes, 2x plus 3y we have to find. Right, take it. Take it. 2x plus 3y. Yes, the given term in the mode of 2. Squaring on both sides. Chalo. Now I am using algebraic identity. First identity. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Yes, you are right. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Right. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. Which means, friends. Yes, sir. Yes, you are right, friends. Yes, a is 2x, b is 3y. A square, 2x whole square. B 2ab, 2 into 2x into b value 3y, b square, 3y whole square, friends. 2x whole square, 4x square, 2 into 2, 4 3 are 12xy, 3y whole square, 3 square, 9y square, y square, 9y square, 9y square. Yes, friends, you have to write these two at a time. One side, you have to write these two terms one side. Now 12xy, right, second term. Right, friends? Now you have to observe 4x square plus 9y square value given, sir. 136, substitute in the place of this one, plus 12. Yes. You are right. In the place of xy, 10 we have to substitute. Then 136, 120, nothing but 256. 2x plus 3y whole square equals to 256. Now friends, 2x plus 3y whole square equals to 256, but I want a single term of 2x plus 3y. Means square transport right side becomes to plus or minus square root of 256. Square root of 256, square root of 2, I said in my first video, square root of numbers up to 30 in your mind, the solution, the solve the problems are very easy. Square root of 256 nothing but 60. Yes. Now 2x plus 3y equals to 16. Right friends? Now I hope you know how to understand such these examples by using algebraic identities. Now friends, I have to give one good question for the practice purpose. Now you have to that answer see in our next video. Till then, be learn and subscribe our channel. Thank you.